As the metaverse continues to gain traction, many businesses are exploring ways to establish a presence in this virtual world. If you're a beginner looking to build a business in the metaverse in 2024, here's a step-by-step guide to help you get started. 1. Define your business idea. Before diving into the metaverse, it's essential to have a clear understanding of what your business will offer. Consider the unique opportunities and challenges of the metaverse and how your business can provide value in this environment. 2. Research the market. Take the time to research the current state of the metaverse market, including popular platforms, user demographics, and emerging trends. This will help you make informed decisions about which platforms to focus on and how to position your business. 3. Choose your platform. With so many metaverse platforms available, it's crucial to select the one that aligns with your business goals and target audience. Some popular options include Decentraland, Sandbox, and Roblox. 4. Create your virtual space. Once you've selected your platform, it's time to create your virtual space. This can include everything from the layout and design of your space to the types of experiences you'll offer. 5. Develop your content. In the metaverse, content is king. Create engaging and interactive experiences that will keep users coming back for more. This can include everything from virtual events and concerts to educational workshops and product demos. 6. Establish your brand. Make sure your virtual space accurately reflects your brand identity and values. This will help users recognize and remember your business. 7. Monetize your space. There are several ways to generate revenue in the metaverse, including virtual advertising, in-game purchases, and sponsorships. Choose the monetization strategy that aligns with your business goals and target audience. 8. Build your community. The metaverse is all about community building. Encourage users to interact with each other and your brand by hosting events, offering rewards, and providing opportunities for collaboration. 9. Measure your success. Use analytics and feedback to track the success of your metaverse business and make informed decisions about how to improve and grow. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to building a successful business in the metaverse in 2024. Remember to stay up to date with the latest trends and developments in this rapidly evolving space.